Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I will discuss about the bar graph data interpretation. I will discuss about bar graph data interpretation. In the previous sessions, we have learned about tablet data interpretation and pie chart data interpretation. Now, let me explain about bar graph data interpretation. Here also in this bar graph data interpretation, here the information is provided in the diagram, that is bars. Here the whatever the information which is provided in this kind of data interpretation, that is provided in terms of bar graphs. Here also first we need to read the information carefully and then we need to solve the questions according to the information. First of all, whatever the information which is given, you just read the information carefully. Once you understand the information carefully, it is very easy to solve the problems, whatever the problem, right? First of all, read the information. The bar graph given below shows the production in the unit of 1000 pieces of three types of biscuits by a company in 5 consecutive years. It is very clear that here the bar graph shows that production of biscuits, three types of biscuits. One is glucose biscuits, second one is cream cracker biscuits, and the third one is salted biscuits. These are the three types of biscuits and their production, and the each and every value will be given in terms of 1000 pieces. In terms of how many pieces? 1000 pieces. Whenever he mentioned about 1000 pieces, you need to multiply the given value which is given in the bar graph. You need to multiply that value with 1000. Suppose if it is given in terms of lakhs, you need to multiply with 1 lakh, right? So and one more thing is, all the information is for 5 consecutive years. 5 consecutive years, starting from 93 to 97. This is a complete information regarding this particular bar graph data interpretation. Now the information is very clear, easy to understand. Once again, I am explaining what is the given information. Here the production of three types of biscuits, that is glucose, cream cracker and salted biscuits. This is a production, and production values are given in terms of 1000 pieces by a company in 5 consecutive years. In 5 consecutive years, from 93 to 97. From 93 to 97. That is the given information. Now we need to solve the questions according to the information. Here the first question is the percentage drop in the number of glucose biscuits. The percentage drop in the sense percentage decrement or percentage less than. Percentage drop in the number of glucose biscuits manufactured from 94 to 95. First of all, you need to observe the diagram carefully. This one is belongs to glucose, this one is belongs to cream cracker, and the dark one is belongs to salted biscuits. Okay, here 94 and 95, we are talking about glucose biscuits. Glucose biscuits in the sense first one. Here in 1994 glucose biscuits, that is 30,000. No need of writing thousands. Okay, I'll just write it, but you just take it as 30,000. Okay, while you are solving the problem, better to take 30, right? And next, coming to 1995. In 1995, it is 22.5 thousand. It means 22,500, which is nothing but 22.5 thousand. Obviously, it is decreases from 94 to 95. 94 the value is 30,000, whereas 95 the value is 22,500. So definitely there is a decrement in the manufacturing of glucose biscuits from 94 to 95. Now we need to calculate what is that percentage drop. Percentage drop. Drop in the sense percentage decrement. As we all know that percentage decrement is equal to difference between those two. Difference between those two divided by high value. Difference between those two divided by high value. And whenever you are calculating percentage into 100, percentage symbol, that is common thing. Into 100, percentage symbol, that is common thing. First calculate what is the difference between those two. Here the difference 30 minus, I'll take only in terms of thousands. Why? Because here it is 1000, denominator also in terms of 1000. So directly I will take 30 and 22.5. Difference is nothing but 30 minus 22.5 divided by high value. High value is 30 into 100. And next here it is 30 minus 22.5, that is 7.5 divided by 30 into 100, which is equal to 7.5 is nothing but 75 by 10. By 10 comes to denominator, it becomes 300. 75 by 300 into 100, that is the value. Two zeros cancel. 75 by 3, which is equal to 25 percentage. It means percentage decrement is equal to 25 percentage. 25 percentage decreases from 94 to 95. Which category of biscuits? Glucose category. First category. Okay, that is the answer. Once look at the options. Option D. Option D is the right answer for this question. Option D. Second question. The difference between, here we need to calculate the difference in terms of 1000 pieces. The total number of cream cracker biscuits manufactured in the year. Here we are talking about cream cracker biscuits. Cream cracker biscuits in the year 1993 and 1995 and 1997. These three together, and the total number of biscuits same type. Total number of biscuits of same type. Same type in the sense cream cracker. Again, cream cracker. Which year we are talking about? 94 and 96 together. 1994 and 96 together. Here the question is what is the difference between this total and this total? We need to calculate the difference between these two. Difference is nothing but highest value minus lowest value. First we'll take this one. Cream cracker 93. Cream cracker in the sense which one? Second one. Okay, 93 second one, that is 12.5. And next 95. 95 which is 27.5. 27.5 middle one. 97. 97 middle one, 30. And next 94. 94 cream cracker, that is 25. First one 25. And next 96 middle one, that is 20. Now take the difference between these two. Once you added these two values, see here 25 plus 20, that is 45. 45,000. And next coming to this case, here 27 plus 12, 39. 39 plus 1, 40. 40 plus 30. 40 plus 30, 70. 70,000. This is 70,000 and this is 45,000. Now the question is what is the difference between these two? 70 minus 45. 70 minus 45, which is equal to how much? 25,000. 25,000. That is our answer. Here he wants to calculate us in terms of thousand. So obviously the answer will be 25. 25 is the right answer. Option B is the right answer for this question. Option B. Let us look at the third question. The total production of all three types of biscuits was least in the year? Here, the question is total production of all the biscuits, all three types of biscuits, that particular total is least. That particular total is least in which year? Here, we need to calculate, first of all, the total of 1993, 1994, 1995, 1996, and 1997. What is this total? What is this total? Third one, fourth one, fifth one. Once you calculated all the totals, then you just compare the values, which one is the lowest one. See, as we have none of these option, that is the reason why we need to calculate each and every year, or otherwise it is not at all required. First, 93. 93, the values are 30, 12.5, 22.5. Now it is 0, and next 5, and next 6, 65. First value is 65, and second year 30, 25, 20. 50 plus 25, 75. Third one 22.5, 27.5, and 35. See here 27, 22, 49 plus 1, 50, 50 plus 35, 85. And fourth one 25, 20, 30. Here it is 50, 75. And next fifth value 22.5, 30, 27.5. Here 22.5, 27.5, that will become 50. 50 plus 30, 80. Now we got 93 total, 94 total, 95 total, 96 total, and 97 total. All 5 years total we got it. For all three types of biscuits. First one is glucose. Second one, cream cracker. Third one, salted, right? Now, the question is, which one is the least? In which year the total production of all three types of biscuits was least? If you observe carefully each and every total, 65 is the least value among all the values. Remaining values are 75, 85, 75, 80. Here, highest value is 85. Highest value. 85 is the highest value. Sometimes there is a chance of asking highest as well. Whereas lowest value is 65. Lowest value in the year 1993. 1993 is the right answer for this question. Option A. In case the question is asked regarding highest value, in that case your answer will be 1995. Why? Because the total is highest in the year 1995. That is our required answer if the value is highest. But in this question, the question is asking about lowest. Lowest is in the year 1993. Therefore, option A is the right answer for this question. Option A. Next one. The total production of all three types of biscuits was maximum. As like a previous problem, here just now we calculated that 1993, 1994, 95, 96, 97. Just now we calculated. 93 total 65. 94 total, previous one 75, 85, 75, 80. See, this is 75. This is 85. I am just writing the total values. Same model, but only thing is previous question is asking about lowest one, and this question is about highest one. This is 75 and this is 80, right? Among all these totals, which one is the highest? Obviously 85. Therefore, in the year 1995, in the year 1995, the total value was maximum. Option C is the right answer for this question. Option C. Next, last question in this session. The ratio of production of glucose biscuits and total production of biscuits in that year was maximum in the year. Here again we need to go with each and every year: 1993, 1994, 1995, 1996, and last one 1997. As we already calculated the total values, so again no need of calculating totals, as we all know that. See, first of all, the ratio of glucose and total production of biscuits, that particular value should be maximum. Here, glucose by total, that is maximum for which year? That is a question he is asking about. First, 93. 93 total. Sorry, 93 glucose 30. 93 glucose 30. Whereas the total value 65. Just now we calculated. And next, 94. 94 total. 94 glucose 30 and total 75. 95. 95 glucose 22.5. 22.5 divided by total 85, right? And next, 96. 96 glucose 25 divided by total 75. And next, 97 glucose 22.5. And next, denominator total value. Total value is 80. Total value is 80. Now, among all these 5 fractions, which fraction is maximum? Which fraction? That is the question we need to find out. If you able to solve this question within short time, then it is very easy task. But that is that is a challenge for you people in order to get within less time. Here hardly you can calculate this particular question within 5 seconds. Comparison I am talking about. Okay, as we already calculated previously the total values, you just take the values and take the denominators. That's it. Now, what you have to do is, first of all, once check it out whether any numerator values are equal or not equal. See, if you observe carefully, 93 and 94 numerator values are same. Similarly, 95, 97 numerator values are same. Whenever numerator values are same, whenever numerator values are same, if the denominator value is maximum, if the denominator value is maximum, here the denominator is 85, here the denominator is 80. So obviously this value is maximum as comparing with this value. So you can cancel 1995 directly without any hesitation. Okay, why? Because here any fraction is maximum if numerator is maximum and denominator is minimum. Here, if you observe carefully, in these two fractions, as the numerator values are same, compare the denominators. If denominator is minimum, that is the maximum value. Okay. So, I am eliminating option, not option, 1995 here. Next, I will compare 93, 94. Why? Because here also numerator values are same. Now, compare the denominator values. Denominator value is maximum for 75 among these 2 years. So, I can eliminate option 1994 year as well. Why? Because denominator is maximum, so that I will get minimum value for 94 as comparing with 93. So, two values are eliminated. And next, coming to the remaining 3 values. Coming to the remaining 3 values. Just now I told that our values will be maximum. Numerator is maximum, denominator is minimum. If you observe carefully, numerator is maximum for the year 1993, right? And next, denominator is minimum, that is also for 1993. Whenever these two conditions are applicable for only one particular fraction, obviously that is the highest value. That is the highest value among remaining three. Why? Because here, suppose for example, one condition is applied and numerator value is maximum for one option, denominator is minimum for another option, then you need to verify those two values. But if you observe in this case, numerator is maximum, denominator is minimum. Both the cases that is applicable for only one option, that is 1993. Because of that reason, directly you can keep the answer as 1993. 1993, the ratio of glucose biscuits and total production of biscuits, that was maximum. Option B is the right answer for this question. In this way, you need to compare the values, but don't try to calculate the exact values. If you are trying for exact values, definitely it will take too much time. Okay, guys, I hope you understand each and every problem in this session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.